First, you crack an egg. Then you let your sister crack an egg. Then you stir. Then you let your sister stir. Then you add black pepper. Then you add salt. Then your sister adds black pepper. Then you add black pepper. Then you both stir. Then you add grease to a skillet. Then you add your eggs to a skillet. Then you listen while your aunt tells you what to do. Now you add cheese. Then you argue about whether we're going to use a spoon or a spatula.
Now we need a spatula, right? I don't think a spoon will work.
Well, it seems to be doing the job.
The cheese isn't melting.
It will. Alright, and then let it sit, and you see when it starts to get like that on the edges, then you can stir it again. Start from the edge and scoop it into the inside. There you go. Now let it sit for another couple of minutes.
Couple minutes. You need a couple seconds?
Minutes, seconds, whatever. Okay, then let it sit. Mama, yours and Daddy's breakfast is ready. Okay.
Potatoes. This time what do you want? The cheese is actually melting.
Well, that is wonderful. Girl.
You know, eating at McDonald's, you can go to a cheap restaurant and they do any of the fast food restaurants.
I'm gonna put one piece of toast real quick.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Did you put salt
Y'all
on
better
the,
take the eggs off the